He grew up with technology and still needed IEM Robotics. Why? He learned his first questions from curiosity and his first answers by building them with technology. The robotics kit was patient, but not passive. It asked him to try, to fail, to think again. It didn't give answers. It helped him rediscover them. People didn't fade into noise. They became part of the new AI process. Questions became conversations. Mistakes became learning with STEM and robotics kits. He learns how systems work, how sensors respond, how code becomes motion. And more certainly, he learned how people work together with AI today. He didn't just optimize life. He knew how to share it with the power of AI. Technology didn't replace connection. It created it with innovation. The AI tools are guarded as powerful, but they never try to replace presence. Instead, they empower it. He grew up informed, capable, connected with the new generation AI. When technology is built to teach, not replace, children don't lose their humanity. They grow with a new form of AI. Explore our STEM and robotics kits today.